This video provides an overview of marine electrical systems, focusing on the engineering requirements for survival at sea and compliance with Indian standards, starting with a look at the system's life cycle. The marine environment is harsh, requiring equipment to withstand severe heat, power variations, and mechanical stress. Engineers design systems up to 1,000 volts to ensure durability under these extreme conditions. Ocean motion creates significant pitch and roll, which can loosen standard fasteners. To prevent this, mechanics use specialized locking screws and nuts to secure all machinery against continuous shock. Redundancy is critical to prevent catastrophic steering failure. SOLAS regulations mandate independent main and auxiliary circuits with automatic emergency power activation within 45 seconds. Safety requires distributed control and monitoring. Crews monitor steering motors from both the bridge and steering compartment, using robust alarm systems to detect overloads, power loss, and fluid issues. Protecting components like cables, batteries, and transformers is essential. This matrix outlines the hazards, required testing, and mandatory standards for maintaining system integrity. Batteries emit flammable gases and are strictly prohibited in sleeping quarters. They must be housed in ventilated spaces with mechanical exhaust and protective containment trays to manage electrolyte leaks. Power cables undergo rigorous testing, including prolonged water immersion and high-voltage stress tests, to ensure they can withstand marine conditions without insulation breakdown. Spatial installation architecture involves navigating strict physical boundaries. Proper earthing, cable routing, and containment strategies are required to prevent faults from spreading throughout the vessel. To maintain reliability during local damage or fire, essential services use dual physically separated cable routes. This ensures that a single event cannot disable power and control across the entire ship. Maintaining compartment integrity is vital when cables pass through bulkheads. Specialized brass stuffed glands and flame-retardant packing create mechanical seals that block both water and fire. To manage liquid hazards, switchgear must be protected from potential leaks. Protective drip trays and metallic containment trays with drainage help prevent oil contamination of the ship's bilges. Ships are susceptible to lightning strikes. Electricians ensure safety by earthing all non-current carrying metal parts and installing dedicated conductors to route strike energy safely into the ocean. The safety ecosystem is a continuous loop. Environmental stress, system design, and installation practices are interconnected. Failing at any stage compromises the entire vessel's safety. Finally, before a ship sails, inspectors commission the systems, verifying insulation resistance and performing full load runs to confirm that all protective devices function correctly.